Hey everyone! Welcome to this explainer video, where we'll dive into the awesome benefits of varying teacher positions in the classroom. Today, we'll explore how different teacher positions can positively impact student engagement and classroom dynamics. Let's rethink the traditional front-facing approach. In many movies, cartoons, and classroom photos, the teacher is often seen standing at the front of the room, facing the students. However, in today's more interactive and democratic learning environments, we can challenge the assumption that the front is the only place for a teacher to be. Now, let's delve into the reasons why varying teacher positions can be beneficial. By experimenting with different teacher positions, we can create a more engaging and interactive classroom atmosphere. This approach challenges student assumptions about the teacher's role and fosters inclusivity in the learning environment. In this section, we'll explore standing or sitting in different locations of the classroom to enhance classroom dynamics. To begin, try sitting in the middle of the semicircle if your classroom chairs are arranged in that manner. By positioning yourself as part of the group rather than in a separate seat at the front, you promote equality and collaboration among students. 2. Utilizing a base desk. Another technique is to make one desk your base for a lesson, preferably towards the back of the room if your class has fixed desks in rows. Continually returning to this spot allows for closer proximity and interaction with students. Now, let's explore more options for varying teacher positions. 3. Giving instructions from different locations. Experiment with giving instructions from different locations, like the side or back of the room. This helps distribute the teacher's presence and encourages students' attention in various areas of the classroom. Here's another interesting technique to try. 4. Clearing a mid-room space. Create a cleared space in the middle of the room and use it to give instructions. While it may require you to turn around to make eye contact with students in different parts of the room, this approach promotes a more dynamic and inclusive learning environment. Let's explore one more technique. 5. Avoiding the front of the room. Challenge yourself to have a whole lesson in which you deliberately avoid the front of the room. By breaking the traditional teacher-student hierarchy, you encourage greater student participation and foster a sense of shared ownership in the classroom. Many teachers may be unsure about when they should sit or stand in the classroom. However, it's important to note that there is no strict rule mandating teachers to stand throughout the entire lesson. It's perfectly acceptable to take the opportunity to sit down during moments when students are actively engaged in tasks that don't necessitate constant supervision. This allows you to give yourself a short break and recharge. In this section, we'll explore standing or sitting in different locations of the classroom to enhance classroom dynamics. Let's explore the benefits of teachers sitting down in the classroom to take a rest. 1. Physical well-being. Sitting provides a break from the physical demands of teaching, reducing fatigue and discomfort. 2. Mental refreshment. Resting enhances focus, clarity, and overall well-being, improving teaching performance. 3. Observation and assessment. Sitting offers a different perspective to observe student interactions, behavior, and engagement, aiding in assessment and instructional decisions. 4. Student independence and empowerment. Sitting signals trust in students' ability to work independently, fostering responsibility, autonomy, and ownership of learning. 5. Approachability and connection. Sitting among students creates an approachable atmosphere, fostering comfort in seeking assistance, asking questions, and engaging in conversations. This strengthens teacher-student relationships, promotes open communication, and cultivates a positive classroom climate. 6. Modeling healthy habits. Teachers prioritizing self-care by taking rest breaks demonstrate the importance of balance, self-awareness, and well-being to students. This teaches the value of maintaining overall health and productivity. 7. Signaling changes of tone and pace. Sitting down signifies a slower pace, a different tone, and a more relaxed teacher mode. It can be used to indicate activities that are distinct, such as reading a story or facilitating class discussions. To wrap up, by varying teacher positions, we can promote a more inclusive and dynamic classroom environment. Remember to consider cultural sensitivities and adapt your approach accordingly. Embrace the opportunity to challenge traditional assumptions and empower your students through varied teacher positions.